This is going to be the biggest week for cryptocurrencies this year. Yes, this very week coming up going to be the absolute biggest week so far for this year. And it's going to potentially make or break cryptocurrencies. One thing we can expect, and we're talking about XRP and pretty much the entire crypto market, is we're going to be getting a deal with China very soon. Trump has said on Friday in this past week that he's talking to China and they are about to strike a deal. When this occurs, because it's not if it's going to occur, it's when it occurs. China is losing billions of dollars probably per day based on these tariffs. But they want to come to a deal with the United States. And essentially what that deal is going to be is there's going to be free trade, potentially. And we're going to come up with some type of deal with China where there's going to be zero trade deficit so that prices are going to be great for both countries. And essentially what this means is that the fees that we have for China to import, export, we're going to bring to a certain level where it's almost equal with them and their fees on us. So it's going to kind of balance itself out. That's going to be a very bullish thing. And so that's going to give the market certainty. That is going to give the market certainty. When the market has certainty, it starts pumping and it starts moving upwards very, very quickly. The reason why we have been pulling back and crashing the past several weeks is because of the uncertainty that the tariffs have brought. But now that there's certainty in the markets are pumping, they're bouncing, they're holding up very strong in cryptocurrencies and altcoins like XRP. And some other altcoins are going to go absolutely insane. So if we get a trade deal with China this week, the market is going to pump harder and faster than you could possibly imagine. I think Bitcoin will probably pump back to $100,000. XRP might be close to $3 potentially this week on just the trade deal news alone. In addition to that, we also have some other bullish catalysts for XRP and cryptos like XRP ETF. That is likely to get approved and go live before all the other altcoin ETFs. And in addition, we have the Fed, they're going to be cutting rates. So they've been mentioning that they're likely about to cut rates based on the tariffs and other things that are taking place. Inflation, for number one, is skyrocketing down, is going down very rapidly. And that means the Fed needs to switch something up, especially after this correction in the stock market, where they need to cut rates. Cutting rates pumps the market. It injects liquidity into the market, and just more money is going to be everywhere for everybody. It's going to be a very, very bullish thing. Rates are going to come down to when Trump was in office and potentially lower. And what these tariffs are even doing is causing Trump, he actually wants to remove capital gains, income taxes, federal income taxes. I mean, there's just so many bullish things that I think Trump is going to do. And I'm speaking from an unbiased standpoint for Trump and a general overview of what he could potentially do for all of us. You better get ready because the market is about to make a very big move and you do not want to be caught sidelined. You do not want to be sitting on the sidelines waiting for another potential crash. We've been crashing since January and it's now almost May. We are now almost in the month of May. Happy Easter as well. It's going to get absolutely crazy. I think this summer, because we've been correcting for so long since January, is going to be a very bullish time, and we're going to have the uptrend in the summer. And typically summers are the more volatile, uncertain times in the market where people walk away from their trading desks. But I don't think that's going to be the case this summer. This is going to be a bullish summer, in my opinion. It's going to be crazy. Make sure you guys are in the Patreon. We are making a fortune longing and shorting cryptos with my profitable trade signals. And also, I tell you exactly when to buy and sell your spot. We also get meme coins and a whole bunch of other things and constant market updates. So the people on my Patreon are making a fortune. We don't lose any trades. We're constantly winning. And if you guys want to follow my winning trades as a professional crypto day trader, go ahead and join the Patreon. If you guys want to learn how to trade cryptos, go ahead and apply for my mentorship below. If you are going to be trading though, you need to be trading on Bluefin. They're giving away a $10,000 deposit bonus for free. But the reason why I'm promoting the platform, that's where me and my community trade and we trust it, it has the cheapest fees on the internet, period. Another thing that's going to help you with your trading is going to be ALGOSNIPER, my trading indicator that I developed. The reason why I'm so profitable is because of my trading indicator. It keeps me in line. And if you watch the video on the website, it's going to teach you exactly what to do, how to use it, what not to do. This is going to increase your wins massively. Everything I'm talking about is in my video description, but that's gonna be it, guys, for this video. If you got something out of this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and I'll see you later.